If you had a dollar for everyone that said the money's in the list, you'd probably be pretty rich by now, right? But I want to take this a step further today, and I want to say that the money's in the people that actually open your emails, right? And that all starts with a great subject line. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create great subject lines so that you can actually get more engagement with your list, which is actually going to put more money in your pocket. Now, guys, my name is John from johnmcneil.com. If this is your first time to my channel, I teach you all about internet marketing and making money from home. So if that interests you, you definitely want to subscribe to the channel by clicking the little blue John McNeil icon in the right-hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and tick that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. So guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video. I know these type of videos aren't very sexy, but it's super important because this is going to be the beginning of you putting money in your pocket, and we're going to start right now. All right, guys, John from johnmcneil.com here, and just here, and we're going to be talking about, again, great subject lines, because again, subject lines are super important for your email marketing business, because without a great subject line, you're definitely not going to get any opens, and then you're not going to make any money. So the most important thing that you have to know is that you must stand out amongst your emails, right? So in this internet marketing, affiliate marketing game, there's thousands of people out here, promoting offers and mailing offers every single day. So how do you stand out with your emails, your subject lines, right? So this little picture is just a depiction of just a crowd. So this is basically like represents your target market's email inbox, right? So they're just getting tons of emails every single day. There's a crowd of internet marketers out there mailing. But how can you stand out like this lady here? How can you kind of like raise your hand and stand out and say, read my email, open my email, because I really have something great in here for you, and this is going to be able to make you a lot of money if you can perfect standing out amongst the crowd, right? So in a nutshell, this is how it works, guys. You're going to have a great subject line. This is the start. You get a great subject line, and with the great subject lines, you're going to get more opens of your emails, which is going to lead to more clicks, which is going to put more cash in your pockets, right? So this is just statistics. So the more opportunity you have to get more opens, more clicks, you're going to make more money. And again, that starts with a great subject line. So how do you write a great subject line? Well, there's a couple different ways I want to show you guys today. The first thing you can do is just purchase a copywriting course. There's tons of them out there. You could just Google it or go to any of these affiliate networks and find a copywriting course, purchase it, and then, just start implementing what you've learned. The next thing you can do is you can actually sign up to a list of another successful marketer in your niche. So whatever your niche is, you can just find people that are successful, sign up for their list, and just, see how they're sending emails. You can swipe some of their subject lines. You can tweak them. And then, you can use them in your actual business. And then here's another cool ninja trick that I wanted to show you guys today that a lot of people aren't doing and a lot of people don't even think about, but I'm going to show you a way that you can get great subject lines from, other people in your niche or other internet marketers that are very compelling that you can tweak and use in your business. So let's go ahead and jump over to Listjo. So Listjo.com is basically a viral list building website. So to give you the gist of this site, basically people within like the internet marketing, affiliate marketing, kind of make money online niche, they can join this, and you can see you can sign up for free, and it says send email to 1,000 people, home-based business owners right now. So basically this is a melting pot of like people that are all sending offers to each other. So they join this site, they click on emails to get credits, or they buy, they spend a couple dollars to buy solos to send to this list of people that's within this website. And you get a lot of emails. So what I've done is I've signed up for Listro because it's actually free. And then, like I said, you get a ton of emails every single day of all of these people. But what's cool about this website is that, in order to actually get some clicks to your website or have anybody pay attention to your website, because you're getting probably 100 a day from this service. You have to have good copywriting skills. And what I found is that a lot of people on these websites, because it's so competitive, because there's so much garbage out there, they have to find very compelling ways to get clicks to their actual emails, because there's pages and pages of this stuff. Like I go in and I delete, and it's already almost 300 emails from Listro and some of these other viral list building sites. But let's just look at some of these subject lines, right? So this first one says, flood your PayPal account with multiple $15, right? I may click on that. Is an autoresponder killing your budget? That may be pretty compelling, as your list grows, you actually start to pay a lot more for your autoresponder services. So that may be compelling to me because, man, the autoresponder is getting pretty expensive. Let me just click on this email to see what it's all about. And I may click on that email and it may be a service that could help me. It may be a platform that I may be interested in trying, and then I may end up buying whatever is behind this email. Here's another one. 385 in sales for penny leads. No kidding. That's pretty intriguing. I may click on that. Stop exercising and eat donuts to lose fat. Now, if I'm in the weight loss niche and I'm interested in losing weight, I'm definitely clicking on this one because I like me a good honey bun. I like eating some donuts here and there. So if I can stop exercising and eat donuts and lose weight, even though it may be crazy, I'm about to click on that subject line. That's a great subject line. Here's how to get money online this week. I tracked 14 sales in 24 hours with one single mailing. I'm definitely clicking on that. You see what I mean, guys? Like these people have to be extremely creative in their email marketing to get people to click on their emails. Here's your 20 sales per day. I'm clicking on that. 1 out of 15 subscribers pay me $15. You see, guys? So brand new $100 a day method. This is awesome. Brand new $100 a day method. I'm clicking on that one, right? So again, you could sign up for Listro for free. I would actually just open like a new Gmail account because you definitely want to use your personal email because you're going to get a ton of emails. And then what you do is you just come in here, when you're about to write an email, and then you find, a good subject line that, would work for whatever the offer that you're sending. You can tweak it a little bit. You can actually go in here and see what their actual email copy is about. You tweak it, and then you go ahead and send it out to your list. And guys, again, with the more opens you get, more clicks you're going to get, the more money you're going to make. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment. Let me know below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.